Tesla semi prototype spotted on highway, maybe without a driver. Scary. This story posted on Electrek. They're always reporting on Tesla-related stuff. Look at that. Do you see a driver in there? I don't know. He could just be blocked by some type of reflection. I'm not really sure. But first of all, how cool do those Tesla semis look?
Pretty cool.
Second of all, I mean, they got to be testing some type of autopilot situation going on. I mean, all their cars have it. You assume that it's going to be in here as well.
It's a bit swervy here.
But would they be bold enough to send it out on the freeway without a human? Nah, I don't think so. I think that's unlikely. You probably just can't see the guy. But if you scroll down and play the clip, Will, you tell me. Kirk's going to watch it as well. Tell me if there's a driver in there. What's your thoughts? Yes or no? Here's the clip. Plays back. Oh, yeah, you can see his glasses. There might have been an eyeball reflection there.
Right at the very end, right there.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a driver in there. So everyone wants to believe it's an autonomous semi out there. Because there's something like imposing about that. It's one thing, it's a driverless sedan, but a driverless semi. That's like a futuristic horror movie, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Just going rampant on the streets. The driverless semi, you know? So anyhow, apparently Tesla's kind of careful in how they're talking about the autonomy of their semi program, their transport trucks, because, you know, that's the topic that always comes up when you say, oh, they're going to displace jobs. Like, do you know how many people are employed as drivers? And so Tesla probably downplays it. They're like, no, our trucks are just cool. Don't worry about the self-driving part. But either way, people are obviously excited. It's an area ripe for disruption, not just consumer cars, but semis as well. And it'll be really interesting to see where this lines up. I know I've talked in the past, maybe not on this show, about how some big orders have already come in for these things, right? Like from some major players. So just from the emission standpoint with the electric vehicle, you know, these big rigs, there's got to be a lot of emissions coming out of there. So it's a futuristic thing to begin with. And you add in the potential autonomy, possibly them being safer, because, you know, they're out there on the roads, big time, Will. They're logging big miles or kilometers wherever you happen to live. And so that's pretty significant thing. And there's one in the real world, on the road. I think there's a driver, all right, regardless of what other people online seem to be talking about. But it's at least up for discussion, I'll say. Kirk's convinced. Are you 100%, Kirk? Are you willing to put it on the line? You're 100% that's a driver? 100? Yep. Okay, 100% has got a driver. Will he do?
Yeah.
100% has got a driver. Okay, all right. So never mind. It was not spotted on a highway. That maybe without a driver. I don't know. I guess you could say about any. Does the truck behind have a driver? See, you don't even know. I feel like that's a driver, but anyway. Yeah. Futuristic semi-trucks. It's my post-apocalyptic horror movie set in a Blade Runner-esque in which it's not the robot overlords the way you imagine them, like humanoids. It's just giant, beastly, autonomous transport trucks you can't defend.
With weapons?
Yeah, of course. It's like, what is that? Or is that just Transformers? Did I just do Transformers? Okay, never mind. It's been done. Never mind.